Are you ready to take your running game to the next level? Today, we've got a special treat for you. We will unleash the power of explosive strength exercises that will help you improve your running speed and performance. Get ready for an exciting workout that will have you sprinting like never before. Let's dive right in. Before you start any exercises, consult with a healthcare professional. Jump squats. We're kicking things off with an exercise that targets your lower body and explosiveness. Jump squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower yourself into a squat position, and explode up, jumping as high as possible. Land softly and immediately go into the next representative. Try to complete 10 to 15 jump squats. Feel the power in those legs. High knees. Let's focus on building speed and knee drive with high knees. Get ready to get those knees up. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible while maintaining a quick pace. Aim to perform high knees for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Feel the burn in those legs and engage your core. Power lunges. Next up, we have an exercise to strengthen your legs and improve your stability. Power lunges. Take a large step forward with your right leg, lower your body into a lunge position, and then explode back up, switching legs mid-air. Repeat this movement, alternating legs, for 10 to 12 reps on each side. Feel the power in those legs as you push off the ground. Plyometric push-ups. Now, let's target your upper body strength and explosiveness with plyometric push-ups. Get ready to explode off the ground. Start in a push-up position, lower yourself down, and then explosively push yourself off the ground, clapping your hands before landing softly. Repeat this movement for 8 to 10 reps. Feel the burn in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Box jumps. It's time to unleash your vertical power with box jumps, an excellent exercise for developing explosive leg strength. Find a sturdy box or platform. Stand in front of it with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees, swing your arms back, and then jump onto the box, landing softly in a squat position. Step back down and repeat for 8 to 10 reps. Feel the thrill of defying gravity. Mountain climbers. Let's shift our focus to core strength and endurance with mountain climbers, an explosive exercise that mimics running. Get into a push-up position, engage your core, and alternate driving your knees towards your chest as if running in place. Perform mountain climbers for 30 seconds to 1 minute, keeping a steady and quick pace. Feel the burn in your abs and the power in your legs. Medicine ball slams. Get ready to release some built-up energy with medicine ball slams, a fantastic exercise for full body explosiveness. Hold a medicine ball or a weighted object with both hands. Raise it overhead and forcefully slam it down to the ground. Catch the ball on the bounce and repeat for 8 to 10 reps. Feel the power and release of energy with each slam. Speed skaters. Let's work on your lateral power and agility with speed skaters, an exercise inspired by ice skating. Start in a slight squat position. Leap sideways to the right, landing on your right foot, and bring your left foot behind your right ankle. Feel the burn in your glutes and thighs. Burpees. It's time to bring strength, cardio, and explosiveness together with everyone's favorite exercise, burpees. Start standing, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, jump back to your hands, and explode into a jump. Repeat this movement for 8 to 10 reps. Feel the adrenaline rush and the power in your whole body. Sprints. We've saved the best for the last sprints. Get ready to ignite your fast twitch muscle fibers and unleash your speed. Find a clear space and sprint for about 20 to 30 meters as fast as possible. Take a short rest and repeat for 6 to 8 sprints. Feel the wind in your hair and the power in your legs. And there you have it, folks. 10 explosive strength exercises to take your running to the next level. Incorporate these exercises into your training routine and watch your speed and performance soar. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to our channel for more engaging workouts and running tips.